Looking for the most capable, highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and luxury options? Then you've come to the right place. Look at this certified pre-owned 2019 4x4 Jeep Grand Cherokee Luxury Group 2 in slate blue pearl. This has halogen quad headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, and daytime runners, 18-inch tech gray wheels and all-season LRR tires, power liftgate, remote start, heated and vented front row seats, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, park assist and backup camera, SiriusXM radio, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto compatible, mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, SELEC-TERRAIN system, QUADRA-TRAC 2 four-wheel drive system, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5334.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.